Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create notes in Google Keep in 2026. Google Keep is a free and easy note-taking app that helps you save ideas, reminders, and important information quickly. Let's get started. First, open Google Keep in your web browser. At the top, click Take a Note. Now enter a title for your note, such as My Notes, and type your content below it. Once you finish writing, simply click outside the note. Google Keep automatically saves your note, so you don't need to click a Save button. To edit the note later, click on it, make your changes, and then click outside again. If the note is important, click the pin icon to keep it at the top of your notes list. You can also click the color icon and choose a different color to organize your notes more easily. Finally, use the search bar at the top to quickly find your note by typing a keyword. That's how to create notes in Google Keep in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Google tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.